I created the ultimate Swagbucks resource. This is the best and most efficient Swagbucks resource ever created. If you're a beginner to Swagbucks, I can guarantee you that you'll find this resource useful and you will know all the new tricks to earn the most money possible on Swagbucks. And even if you're experienced with Swagbucks, I think you're gonna find this resource helpful too. So enough with the hype. Every section in this video is timestamped, and before we take a look inside, please don't forget to hit that like button so this video could get pushed out to more people that would find this resource helpful. Alright, to start off, I left the link at the top of the description to the resource, so you could visit that right there. And once you click that link on the description, you're gonna be led to this page with the ultimate Swagbucks resource. So let's start off with, what is Swagbucks? Swagbucks is a get paid to site. This means there are many ways to earn real money with simple tasks, discover offers, cashback, and more. Over the last 2 years, I've tried many get paid to sites out there, and Swagbucks still to this day is the best one in my opinion. And I don't think just my opinion, just looking at the facts, I think they pay the best. You should only go with one, there's no real reason to go with more than one, and I would choose Swagbucks. And if you're a beginner, Swagbucks may seem complicated at first, and if that's the case, after this video, you may want to watch this Swagbucks review I made in the card right there. So when you first sign up for Swagbucks, there's going to be a few bonuses you could get. The first one is a 300 SB bonus, which is equal to $3. So when you earn 300 SB within your first 30 days of joining, you get the $3 bonus. Now this one's very simple to do, and it's gonna be even easier if you use some of the tips I'm gonna show you in this Swagbucks resource. There's also a second bonus, a $10 sign up bonus, when you spend at least $25 at a store featured in swagbucks.com. So basically how you would do this one is you would go to shop, and say you wanna buy something from Amazon, you would go to Amazon right here, click on the cashback. Swagbucks cashback portal would redirect you to Amazon. And after all that, if you spend $25 on Amazon or the store you chose, then you would get the $10 bonus. And if you want to support me, you could obviously sign up with my referral link, which I will leave in the description below. Alright, this is where the fun starts. Now we have the best Discover offer list. So here I put a collection of links to different types of Discover offers to help you earn more, guys. So these offers range from quiz answers, money makers, instant credit offers, and game guides. And all of these links I just showed you lead to the wonderful Swagbucks Reddit community where people share these great offers. Say you want to complete quiz answers on Swagbucks. What this will do is it'll lead you to a page that shows you everything in the Swagbucks subreddit that has the word quiz in it, and all of this is sorted by new. You could also look at the upvotes. This was 17 days ago. Adgate Japan Trivia 33 Swagbucks. This guy says answer quiz and then no need to enter any info but click no, and then you'll be credited. So let's find this quiz on Swagbucks. He said it's on the Adgate offer wall, so we'd go to discover. Let's go to Adgate. And the name of this is called Japan Trivia, but the important part is 33 Swagbucks. So we could go back here and sort by low to high, and then just scroll all the way to the 33 Swagbucks range until we find the correct offer. The next one we have is money makers. So this one leads you to the Swagbucks subreddit, but this time it's searched by MM. You could also go out of your way and search money makers. But if you do that, mostly these threads just pop up and you could read the comments to see if anyone left anything good. Let's click on this one because it has 21 upvotes. Discover offer Nourish 1000 SB for $2.80 plus tax. So it's a $7 moneymaker plus free vitamins. Sounds pretty good. I'd like to try this one out. He has the details in here. This is for US only. Credits within 10 to 15 minutes. And this person actually left a link to the Discover offers, so even extra helpful. Never mind. So let's try to find this Nourish offer on Swagbucks. I'd go to Discover Home. I search by all offers. And because I know this offer pays 1,000 Swagbucks, I'd search by max to min. I just scroll down to the 1,000 Swagbucks range. So after looking through all the ones in 1,000 and even doing Control F and typing in Nourish, I wasn't able to find anything. So that means this offer has obviously expired and it's no longer on Swagbucks. But that's why for moneymakers like these, it would be helpful to be active on the Reddit community and you'd be able to catch one of these offers like this. Then we also have instant credit. So here's one that has 9 upvotes. It says instant 25 SB. So we're gonna check it out. And the tag says AdSense Media. So let's find this. I'd go into the Discover tab. I have to scroll here and click on AdSense Media. And the offer is a credit report for 25 Swagbucks. Sort by low to high. And again, I didn't find any at 25. So within those 3 days from that post, it must have changed. They either expired because the advertiser already got what they wanted or the price changed. However, an interesting thing this user said is, I recommend trying all of the 25 SB ones on AdSense. I have been able to get each one. You will need to clear your browser cookies in between each try, and a few may need to be tried a couple times on incognito. Also, you won't have to go any further than the page that has the email submit. If it's going to credit, it does so here and it doesn't need you to go any further. And as you can see, if you go in the comments, do a little research, get some info from the 2019 Discover Master, which is actually a legitimate title. He had to actually enter a contest to get it. So he obviously knows how to do those Discover offers very well. But yeah, this goes to show for some of these offers, you're gonna have to be quick before they disappear. And then the final one is game guides. Here you could find a lot of tips and tricks for completing game offers on Swagbucks. But also, besides the game offers, people make different types of guides for different offers that aren't related to games. For example, the famous Swagbucks views offer. Someone made a guide for it. Now this one is very interesting. PayPal $1,000 reward zone guide. It has a lot of likes, 91 upvotes, and it's from 4 days ago. So that was the Discover offer list. Now you know how to search the Swagbucks subreddit and Swagbucks itself for the best Discover offers. So the next part of this resource is the secret video links. Now it's no secret that most video offers on Swagbucks are just not worth your time. However, I've compiled a list of the best paying video links that are worth your time. And then the last part of this is other useful links. Here you could go directly to the coupon offer, directly to the daily poll. You could try to get a random search win, and you could use your members recognition program bonuses. So first, the coupon offer. It leads you to this page on Swagbucks, and all you need to do to earn 50 Swagbucks per day is scroll down to the bottom, select clip all, press print coupons. And don't worry, you're not going to be actually printing your coupons if you don't want to. You're going to wait for this to load, and once you get to the printing page, you could simply press cancel or print if you're actually going to use the coupons. And there you go, it says my coupons successfully printed, and for each coupon you print, you earn 1 Swagbucks with a maximum of 50 coupons per day. And if you do plan to use the coupons you printed, you're going to earn 25 Swagbucks per coupon that you redeem or use. Next, we have daily polls. This page leads you directly to the daily polls. You can pick any answer and earn your 1 Swagbucks per day. The third one is random search win, and then the last one is for your members recognition program bonuses. So here you could just see all the bonuses you have available to use. And that was the ultimate Swagbucks resource. I hope you found it useful. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit that like button, and I'm also going to recommend my free course, How to Make Money Online with Surveys. Now this is a playlist I made with the only videos you need to really make money online with surveys. The first video is about the absolute best paying survey sites that I personally use, and the second video is about a survey topic that is barely discussed. However, it can make you so much more money with surveys. So you could go check that out with the link at the top of the description. That's all I had to say. Thank you all for watching.